Stock number SHJ2875, Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, Texas, 806-374-1033. This is a 2017 Cascadia Midroof XT, 505 horsepower, DT12 automated transmission, Thermo King tri-pack, APU, 8 new drive tires. This truck is equipped with a headache rack, with a chain box on it, and carriers, tire chain racks, Thermo King APU, 394,000 miles. It's well equipped. Chrome gauge bezel package, trailer brake, dump valve, all the right stuff, refrigerator, inverter, double bunk, Midroof XT, 2017 year model, 394,000 miles. Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, Texas, 806-374-1033. We're just off I-40, Whitaker Road. We have a large selection of new and used trucks. Our service departments are open 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, as are our parts departments. Premier Truck Group, Amarillo, 806-374-1033. Stock number SHJ2875. Thank you.